Has this ever happened to you? You get the best sleep ever, you put on your slippers, you head over to the studio to bang out some homework, and then this happens. Come on, turn on like you always do. Come on. No, this can't be. No, why? I thought what we had was special. Damn it. So after my mild panic attack, I did what anybody would do. I went and searched for answers to MPCstuff.com, and I ordered myself a new battery. So I'm going to be replacing the battery out of my MPC LIVE II. I've never done this before. I hope it's just as simple as plug and play. I got a bunch of screws to get through, so I got to get through all of these. There's like 20 screws. Oh, there's like 20 screws all over the back. So here's the battery. They did a good job packaging it. And yeah, let's see. Let's try to put this together. I took all the screws out, and you got to take these pieces off of your ins and outs on the back. And then there's like another little safety pin screw to take apart, but I believe this is the battery right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. You do have to get into this thing and really take your time with it. It is still a bit of a plug and play, but you need to definitely be careful. The battery, I removed the wrap around my old one. This is the old one right here. And so I followed the cords, and there's a piece right here, right in here. I'm gonna get the camera real quick. There's a piece right in here that's attached to the battery, and then there's one going all the way over here, going right over here. I'll try to get some better light. And I just unplugged it. It's right here where your power button would be, and so you just unplug it. And once I get this one, once I get the piece right here unplugged, I should be able to put in the new battery. And yeah, hopefully it turns on. Yeah, it's really not an easy way to, do this. Okay. I'm trying to get it to fit. There's a spot here for these cords, and you gotta run them. Run these all the way back over here, around to the front, and then this tiny one is gonna get placed down under here. Yeah, I apologize. This is gonna look very sloppy between the edits and me putting this together. Okay, so I got the first piece plugged in down there. Again, it's kind of hard to do. Like, I don't know, I need like tiny hands to like work on this thing. But okay, so now we'll put the second piece that comes along the board, and then this piece goes in over here, because this is where your power button is at. I can't pick it up and show it to you, but this is where it's going, and it should just, oh, I don't got it the right way, and it should just drop in there just like that. Yeah. And now the tricky part will be lining all these pieces right back up how it was and putting it back in order. But essentially, that is how you put the new battery in, attaching the piece over here, and then getting that small piece that I showed you earlier there. And the whole battery is connected. There's like a bunch of these little pieces in here, and it's basically just to hold or tidy up the cords in here. I don't know if it matters, you know, in case you have to take this thing apart again. I'm gonna put it back the way it was, but it's definitely not gonna be you know, neat, perfect on my end. But yeah, so all types of fun little tidbits. Yes, this is tedious. Yes, it takes a bit of time, but I paid $250 for the battery, and if I want to be one with the machine, I might as well do the maintenance with it too, right? But anyway, this thing goes back up over here. I did my best to tidy up the cords. And then this thing is where the hard drive is at. So I don't know. I think it was like this, with the screw right here placed down. But yeah, that should be it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. I tried to turn it on, and the battery didn't have any charge. So let's see. I plugged it in. Yep. And yeah, here we go. We got power. Sweet. This is so rewarding. I haven't turned this thing on in months, and I swear there is no battery installation videos that is like, you know, to the T. So this is a huge W for me. And let's see, right here on the screen, you can see that, yep, there's no charge. Come on. Give me 1 second. There we go. No, there. Yeah, so here we are. As you can see, 0 battery, so and that's how you change a battery out the MPC Live II. Should work for the one as well. But yeah, it's a little tedious. Just try to keep all your stuff together. That's probably my only piece of advice if you're gonna go ahead and do this. I hope it helps any beat makers out there, anybody who specializes on the MPC and loves it like I do. And yeah, now I can really make some videos and make some music and put them together. I haven't been able to make any beats for a while, and this was one of the main issues that had me pretty much hung up. So yeah, maybe I'll do a live beat session. Maybe I'll do like a tutorial how I go through my process on things. Peace and blessings, and I'll see y'all in the next one.